give you my heart.
So I am so excited. I got these. You see it? Because I'm about to get into the epoxy game, and I am so excited. And I just want you guys to see like the different colors that came in the boxes. I got this off of Amazon. Definitely not sponsored, but I will leave a link down below if you like the colors. So check it out, hang in, and let's see what it do, baby boo. All right, so we back. We about to open the box. Like I had to open the box, like open it. But that's what it is. Ooh, they pretty. Look at these colors. You see these colors? They are super pretty. And look, I don't even know how to epoxy nothing, but I guess I'm gonna learn today. But that's a pretty color. Ooh, this pink though. Ooh. Talk about this blue. You want this one? Alright, so when I start making the things with these colors and the epoxy, just remember, they were like super pretty out the box. And I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm doing it anyway. Epoxy. What am I talking about? So this I got off Amazon because I just, made one big purchase. But when I say epoxy, I'm talking about this stuff right here. Again, Amazon. But this is the stuff you mix to make it stick to other stuff. So, I mean, it says easy to use. Y'all know I be a little bit slow sometimes. I might struggle the first 8-12 times before I get it right. Don't come for me in this week. But this is epoxy. Big quantities, small quantities. I mean, you can get it in a lot of different quantities. But yeah, so that's the video of me unboxing the stuff. And I'll probably do another video later of me trying to complete some things, but my phone just fell. Bear with me.